All right, today I'm going to show you how to clean a bathroom sink. Right here I have a dirty bathroom sink. I'm going to show you how to clean it. This is going to be a three-prong approach that I'm going to be using to do this. I'm going to be using an ultra foamer soap scum remover. Soap scum builds up around the sink and it is extremely hard to get off. And so that's why I use a ultra foamer to do the work right here. So it removes 10 times as much soap scum in one wipe. So what I'm going to do is, before I tell you about the other products I'm going to be using, I'm going to go ahead and get this foamer in action right here, get it to working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray all around the sink where all the soap scum builds up. And doing this, it allows the soap scum to start dissolving. Okay, so I'm using this. It's Ultra Foamer right here, bathroom Ultra Foamer, made by Clorox. I'm going to go ahead and spray around the sink where the soap scum builds up. And I'm just going to let that soak in right here. Okay, all right. Meanwhile, while that's soaking in, I'm going to share with you the other products that I'm going to be using. That was Clorox Ultra Foamer for the bathroom. Next, I'm going to be using baking soda. Now what this does is it helps really dissolve some of the scum that's built up, some of the dirt and grime that's built up. This works pretty well, okay? So this does have a mild abrasion, or excuse me, mild scrubbing action going on right here, but that dissolves and it just becomes something that actually loosens up the dirt. This right here is Mr. Clean. Right here is the antibacterial Mr. Clean. I use this right here because it also helps dissolve a lot of the crud on here. So this is dissolving. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the baking soda and just put some of the baking soda along the sink. Okay? All around the sink, because I'm going to scrub this sink and get it really nice. So that's Arm & Hammer baking soda. And then I also have a brush right here. This is a type of brush that is usually used for cleaning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use this, and this is going to help really scrub up some of that soap scum and any grime that is on the counter on the bathroom sink, as well as I have a cloth, which I'm going to be using afterwards. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Mr. Clean, I'm going to first put some water on the brush, and just take the brush and put some water on the sink or whatever. A little bit of water. And then I'm going to take some of the Mr. Clean and just pour it on the brush like that. And then immediately I'm going to start scrubbing. First I'm going to do the counters. It has soap on here. Do the counters with the baking soda. And this is really getting up the crud. I can hear it being scrubbed right there. Smell the freshness of the Mr. Clean action right here. Just get around the top of the sink. The cap on that, no cap. Move this down. And I'm just scrubbing the top. The baking soda is grinding in right here. Get the top right here. Right here. And really get in there. See how it's setting up a little bit? It's that foamer action going, dissolving some of the solids. Then I'm going to take this, and I'm going to go inside of the sink right here, add a little bit of water to it, and just go around the sink. And let some of the soap scum dissolve off of it. And just go all right here, go around inside of that, get around the sink, scrubbing. All that. So it's clean, soapy suds. Did a good job. So now I'm just going to go ahead and rinse out the brush. The brush is actually I'm done using it. Rinse out the brush thoroughly. Make sure you brush it up, rinse it out well. And then I'm going to take that rag that I had, and I'm just going to take the rag and And I'm just going to go over every place that I use the brush with. It's almost like going a twice over, or once over, twice over, you know what I mean. Just go every place that I did the brush. And this is going to actually, if I missed any area with the brush, this rag should get it up, because a lot of the things that I was trying to get up with the brush have dissolved or broken down to some degree, which will make it easier to be picked up by the rag. All right, so it's nice and sudsy. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rinse out the cloth. And then basically, it's just a wipe down effort right now to get rid of the suds. It's a rinsing job that I'm doing right now. Go ahead and get this going right here. You might have to rinse out the rag a couple of times depending on how much soap that you used, because you want to make sure you get all the soap that's off of here. Have that. And you want to make sure you get all the baking soda off. All right, look at that. Nice, clean right here. And if you want to go for an extra shine, what you could do is take Windex, spray the Windex on here, and I might just do that. Like I was saying, what you can do is with some Windex, you can take a fresh cloth, a dry cloth, take some Windex, spray down the sink with Windex, right? Once you sprayed it with Windex, going to go ahead and take the clean cloth, and I'm going to take this, and I'm just going to go ahead and just wipe down the sink, and this will give it a nice look. It will let the metal finish look shiny. It will make the white countertop or sink top look nice and clean. Don't forget to get inside of the sink like that. Bada boom, bada boom. And that is how you clean a sink. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.